German Road Tiger Road Chungchanga Foothills Naga Hain Chongsuk Nokta German Road Tiger Road Lampuya da Nota Ka Simban Karle Veng Buk Hai Chu Anrang Thai Ang Taka Until Fighting in Foothills Naga Coordination Committee FNCC Chun Manipur State Government and Cheater Imaniti a Manipur State Government in Hing Ban Karle Veng Buk Hai Hi An Until Fight No Anichun FNCC in Annum Dan Ang Takin An Until Fighting Thu Anshil Kuki in P Manipur KIM in Dan Nota Kajak Road Dinga Lampui and Sim German Road Tiger Road Ti Aming an in Buk Lampui Hin Naga Hai Pule Param Lailung Tak Asho Aniti in Anshil Sabok Hilampui Sima Hi Government of India Chen in Donor Ministry Joint Director Pausian Mongtung Lut in Atlop Ania Manipur Sunga in Jemna Asuk Sidding Chun Nam Pakat Le Pakat Kara Buina Asuk Suk Ding Aniti in FNCC Chun Atar Lang Sa Ani Manipur Jiribam District Sunga Buina Le in Juma Poitok Lo Unaw Pani Pu Thang Lin Lal Marle Asangpa La Ro Sang Mar Hai Chu NIA Han An Manna Chung Thu Lung Oi Lo Le Andang The Anga in Suding Ti in Barak Valley Boat Association Hai Chun Tarek Nisom Pasarit Thlajing Pathi Nia in Thok Khan Hun Tim Chin Lo in Barak Vadunga Boat Service an Suk Top Thu An Pung Pu Thang Lin Lal Mar Hi Barak Vadunga Boat Driver Pakhat Veni in Nitina Fak Form Zong Ani Barak Valley Boat Association Malakna Hi Mar CSO Shan Hing ITSC HSA Joint Headquarters Jiribam Le Adang Dang Hai Khoma Antlop Thu Media Fetlang in Anpung Su Manipur Atlangram Helpol Shan in Loikhom Na Kuki National Organization KNO in Thusuk Asim Angin Kuki National Organization KNO Nuya Arm Wing Som Paruk Hai Chu Command Pakhat Kuki Army Nuya An Khom Tading Mazen TA German Chun Unified Command Le Defense Secretary Number 2 KNO Nina Chelkop Ate Rongmei Naga Council Manipur Media and Publicity Wing in Tarek Nisom Paruk Thlajing in Jinni Khan Thusuk Pakhat Asim Na Tarek Nisom Pali August Nia Naga Nam in Anni Naga Independence Day and in Serchu Kuki Apex Body Pakhat Kuki in P Manipur in Ando Dal Thu Manipur Governor Kuma formal application and Peklu Chu Naga Namle Naga Mipui Hai Dirim Taka Musit Anni Ti in Anthusukin Ashil Chun Azing Tarek Nisom Panga Agas Jandar Somvel Khan Kuki Han Naga Hai Khu Kai Phauda Zenga Silai and Met Bukha Khosunga Mipui Hai Sukchi Aile Thlabar Takin Ansim Ani Hing Anga Kuki Hai Thiel Tho in an enter chu Kuki Hai Hin Naga Hai Hi Inga Khom Ngai Lo in an Musit Le Ani Chulain Hing Thil Plung Haya Hin To Tokin Nong Kanta Chun Hing Ang Thil Atung Nok Ani Chun Mani in Veng Himna Ding in Kanthe Ang Angin Ma Kan Lak Ta Ding Ani Ti in Rongmei Naga Council Manipur Media and Publicity Wing Thusukin Atar Lang Sabok Ani Kuki Hai Cheng Na Khosunga Security Force Han Meitei Narco Terrorist Arambai Tengol Hai and Thui Lut Kuki CSOs Hing COTU Le CSEOO Han Natakin Andem Tarek Nisom Pathum Thlajing Nilai Ni Khan Chanung Bil Sunga Lampui Suk Fighting Sun Lamin Tuta Chanung Khosunga Postinga Ummek CRPF Le 35 Assam Rifles Han Meitei Narco Terrorist Arambai Tengol Member Imanizat Hai Chu Veng Himna Pe in Buffer Zone Fe Khelin Kuki Hai Cheng Na Kangpokpi District Cycle Subdivision Sizo Lin Ko Anlut Puina to a Kuki CSOs Hing Committee on Tribal Unity COTU Le Jingdai Area Core Committee CSCCO Hai Chun Central Force Hai Chu until Tho Na Natakin Andem Ezuk Shi Thai Danding Chun Jingdai Khu Hi Kum Sang Nisom Ni Pathum Me Nisom Thum Pakhat Ni Meitei Narco Terrorist Arambai Tengol Han Nunrong Taka Su Samin Meiwa Pa An Lo in Changter Takha Ani Buina Dang Asuk Nok Tanona Ding Ti in Central Chun Buffer Zone Sim Invoice Sun Ni Chen Hi Buffer Zone Sim Na Chan Hi Kuki Hai Chun in Zataka Wong Jing in Meitei Hai Ram Sung An Lalut No Amiruk Chu Buffer Zone Veng Him Tu Dinga Central Force Han Chan Big Neya Ma An Lak Elahin Kuki Hai Chun Central Force Hai Hi Anding Zauta Nobur hi thil tlung thua Central Force han in big na meeting nei ding ti in COTU le CACCO hai chu bitanin an dor kul vela chu uksak pek an lo ni no ana chu tarik ni som pali thlajing ninga ni khan Assam Rifles hai chu hangfe lui chalin meeting an nei puya hing angthil hi tlung nok tangai no ni ti in Kuki CSOs hai chu in big remna an lo nei pui Assam Rifles han Kuki CSOs thui tu hai kuma anshil danin annum an tho the ya ana chu inshil shi masading ani ti in anshil Kuki CSOs thui tu hai ruk chun kan khu hai in mi veng him pek zo no ding ani chun keinin kan thei angin ma lang kan ti in khautakin army hai kuma an lo shil pek Manipura Meitei mipui hai chunga lung oilo lei in Meitei MLA Susindro atong sukta MLA Susindro chun in mura tongbau suk hai chun PR dit no angin inshil in lungril taka chu PR dit view in tam talulei hin Manipur state sunga hin PR sunzomin ala peiding ani hiti in Meitei MLA Susindro chun ashil Congress leader Rahul Gandhi in vote chari tia antumna chu Election Commissions of India in nisari sunge in affidavit thangsa in finfina le asuk lang theino ani chun ngaidam an niding ani ti in thusuk khautak asim khum Nagaland Governor Chellai La Ganesan in hunlo taka thina alo tukle in Nagaland Governor ding thlangthara nok ma pautu ta Manipur Governor Nina Chellai Ajay Kumar Bhala in Nagaland State Com and Kai Sang Atiti in President Murmu in Thusuk Asim India economy ngir mun sukmason na dinga industrial security ting suksha zul na dinga kalbi pakhat ve angin kumtin Central Industrial Security Force CISF personnel requirement at single sangli personnel lak anita ding ti in Ministry of Home Affairs in Phalna apekta Mirong han tui chapai lamkale kangui kangpukpi in Fepona lampui German Road Tiger Road chu ireng huna in lir the hai an lodang hinga an lodang na chu hi lampuya engine in lon Kuki zo unaw hai veng him dinga ROP Kuki village volunteer hai lak dok ding annum le ani Nagahan lampui andang thu sheet ani charin thui tu han bozui ngalin in lir thei danga hai an infetir thei nokta she thei pakhat chu hi lampuya hin village volunteer hai ROP an lo ma khan engine in lon hai chu Meitei han ambus tho in un naw hai I manizat an lo an milo that pek takha ani Hilampuya engine in lon hai veng him tu dinga village volunteer hai hi lakdok an ni chun apoi hleding Meitei han remchang an lak num no ngal ding ani Manipura Meitei CSO pakhat World Meitei Council in ti hai chun kum nok sang ni som ni paruk kha census nei dinga hin mit Meitei hai chu khas pakhata officially recognized thoding in Director of Census Operation le Registrar General and Census Commissioner of India Hai Kuma ngena lekha memorandum pakhat an pek Meitei Hai khosakdan ejuk enin athanin schedule tribe ninum in sarkar kuma annorvat athen in tu hin kum tharading in khas recognize an ngen nokvat chunglai jingtun athanin numhun huna popular government an lo sim tum nokvat hing po in an enter chu Meitei Hai hi mitak in ning lo thukhat lakhata lungkhom theilo nam Meitei zabra nam an nitop tarik ni som par sari thlajing pathini khan Manipur mi numei pathum le silong mi pasal pakhat hai chu inrui thei heroin thanem tok tak 4.40 crore man hoding le Meghalaya state sunga man anni Intelligence report andong angin Anti-Narcotics Task Force Meghalaya le is Jayinta Hills District Police Han Lumsnong PS Humsunga Khyang Police Petrol Post Muna in Lirthei in Lonhai andap na in Thok Manipur Tengnopal PS Humsunga Khongjom Khomi Numei Pathum Kimneu Kumsom Thum Pathum Dim Khothing Kumsom Li Pasari Ngai Thing Kumsom Li Hai chu in Ruithei heroin 961.33 grams sa rik sabon bom som rit ta in thun le anman Anni pathum hi Manipuran thok Shillong chun India state dangdanga inrui theya sumdong lak geng hailaya thangve ninge dinga anjing hla thu police thusukin ashil chun Shillong madan riting khua isak elzote inti mi pakhatin Shillong sunga inrui theya phurlu tumti intelligence report andong angin anti narcotics task force le is Jainta Hills police han bindi hati khua checkpoint simin inlir the in lonhai anlo dapin silchar le Shillong inkara tlan passenger bus pakhat register number AS01 JC4999 andapna isak elzote kuta inthok heroin 91.86 grams arek sabon bom paku a inthun hai anman ani mana umpo inrui the heroin hi 4.40 crore man hu nidinga sut ani ti in Meghalaya police thusukin atarlang Zani tarik ni som paku thajing thole ni khan Meghalaya le Assam state ramria mai khuli khua Assam government in electric post anba phun le in buina asu mai khuli khu hi Meghalaya state sunga ani Assam state hin ama le in mata state dangdang hing Mizoram Nagaland Meghalaya state high asuk buina thu shi ding ji hi thilpoi tak pakhat choni Zani thole ni zanting dar khat vel khan Iran ram khopui pakhata industrial area lai apuka kangmei na satak asu hi thil tungna san shi ching alanino thile liman nula sinkhom azad tak shrilang alanino mete hai anni le anni kara anbui nokta Zani zan khan sekmai khua cheng mete nu pui pakhat ake asuk lim pala in encoding in Dreams Hospital anfe puya ake chu doctor han operation antho tomin damdoin ankap zo toite hnunga athi alle in sekmai khomi puilung oino pungkhom in Dreams Hospital lukhum in buina ansim hospital mangru tam tak ansuksin meite transgender pasal an thok nu meya in sim doctor pakha chu a educational certificate ming masa pasal ming chu ama dit ang taka nu mai minga athleng theina ding in Manipur High Court in Phalna alo pekta hile in zomin bosem khosem le medical directorate han aming lui pasal ming chu mingthar nu mai ming a thleng pek ding in High Court in Thupek anei ngal kumsom thum pani a upa Dr. Beyonce hi pasal a ping ani a aming indik tak chu boboy laisram ni in a certificate haya pasal ani na minga record ani kumsang ni som paku an thoka apasal ni na chun mei ni na a an thleng theina dingin sex reassignment surgery le hormone replacement surgery hi alo tho ani hile in zomin Aadhaar voter ID pan card hai chun mei minga alo thleng bong ta ani Anachu Board of Secondary Education Manipur Bosem Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur Khosem Manipur University le Manipur Medical Council han aming thleng ding annu pek no le in court ak nge na asimel tani Zani thole ni khan Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhala in Churchanpur ahangsir Sarkar tinga thuitu shanshan nam thuitu CSO shanshan haile in mukhom na annei Churchanpur mipui hai IO in thuitu han mete ra leya voisun ni chena harsatna namen lo an tuk hai thataka shil in development tinga lo theilo mamo hai khom governor pa kuma anshil governor hin Churchanpur mipui hai harsatna an tuk hai shrithimin thei toka ma alak puiding thu ashil Zani thole ni khan Supreme Court of Manipur ex CM Biren Singh audio tape case hearing nei nok ani hearing nei na hi atoi fel zong in report juk pengeite Zani hearing nei na khan Solicitor General Tushar Mehta athang theita no le in additional Solicitor General Aishwarya Bhati in government nuya Central Forensic Science Laboratory CFS in video clip jo sim form ani atak ani ti an endik or anam he theitano ti in ashil Supreme Court in nang ni chu hi video hi sim form ani atak ani ti endik verify video a thu shil tu hi biren ani ani no ti endik dinga dande ngan si chau ani ti in adon let ani chu zawa biren anaw nu in ke khom hi khe sa hin palai party pakhat angin kathang venu minthang tir vero ti a application apek lu chu Supreme Court in anhol pe ka hi khe si family support program anga in ngai ani in application thelu thi pom thei ani no ti in don le na apek hi zo hin khohur aya advocate angir pu Prasad Bushan in CFSL khom hi government nu ya ani lei in ringam ani no chu lei in special investigation team thatak pakhat in investigation hi tholem ro sen ti a ashel chu Supreme Court in chu chul kher no ni government nu ya sin khom CFSL in anthoding ang taka anthoding ani a mi hi asan umlawa numa ringlang hal eloding ani ti in adon leta chunram puting an thokhoma endikna neiding in organization high ko no theikhom anni chung no ti in court in adon le sa bok ani